Hey Virion. Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media. Top 4 Best Silent Air Compressor Review. Number 4. This compact 12V, 220V air compressor car pump is ideal for quick, efficient tire inflation. Available in 2.5L, 4L, and 6L sizes, it's versatile for use on cars, motorcycles, and other inflatables. Its electric, portable design ensures easy transport and dependable performance on the go. Number 3. Specifications. 1. Vacuum pump is used to seal the container vacuum pumping gas to obtain basic equipment. Gas analysis, thermoplastic molding, and other industries. Pumping operations can also be used as various types of high vacuum equipment. Before the pump use. 2. High accuracy vacuum gauge shows system pressure. 3. Automatic anti-backflow valve design. 4. Big sight glass for monitoring oil level. Number 2. This 10L small air compressor is a silent, oil-free, high-pressure air pump perfect for industrial and woodworking use. Its compact design offers portability and low noise, while maintaining efficient, reliable performance for various tasks. Ideal for professionals needing a quiet and durable solution. Number 1. This 40L silent air compressor is a versatile, high-power tool ideal for home, car repairs, tire inflation, and paint spraying. With a 3180W motor, it offers efficient, quiet operation and is available in 15L or 25L models. Its portable design and robust build make it practical for various DIY and professional applications. If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.